Hi all, this is Geetu Mohan, Assistant Professor, Department of English, MES College, Marampally. Today, I would like to say something about existentialism or existential philosophy. What is the purpose of life? Or what is the meaning of life according to you? Some may find meaning through religion, some may find meaning through artistic expression, some by helping others, and some through social works. A group of philosophers, existentialists, says that all things can give us meaning. At the same time, they say that none of them can. Existentialism appeared in modern thought in response to the scientific mentality that all things have meaning and can be explained. But suddenly, a new fear arose. Men tried to sort for answers but could not find none. Plato and Aristotle says everything has an essence, a certain set of core properties that are necessary or essential for a thing to be what it is. For example, blade is an essential property of a knife. They believe that everything has an essence, including us, and our essence exists even before we were born. But in late 19th century, some philosophers like Soren Kierkegaard and Friedrich Nietzsche challenged this notion. Nietzsche embraced nihilism, the belief that there is no purpose in life. According to Jean-Paul Sartre, a 20th century French philosopher, existence precedes essence. This implies that we first exist as humans and we then become whom we desire to be through our free will or choice. Each individual has unique existence and we are the sum total of our choices and decisions. That is, we have to write our own essence through the way we choose to live.
This is a brief idea about existentialism. Thank you for watching.